So here's our application problem. I've already done the first two steps of our problem-solving process. Our question, we've got two questions in this word problem. The first question asks for the area of the patio. I know that area, when it asks for area, they're asking for the length times the width. That's how I find area. The second question asks for the number of tiles it's going to take to cover that entire patio. The 12 in the word problem, 12 inches squared, is the size of each of those concrete tiles. 13 and 5/10 is the length that Mr. Moore wants to make the patio. 43 feet is the width that he wants to make the patio. So if I draw the rectangular patio, what we're looking for is this space here. That is your area. So here's my length, and here is my width. So we know that we're going to multiply 13 and 5/10 times 43. When I'm multiplying using my standard algorithm, I want these to be whole numbers. So remember that we learned last week, I can multiply 13 and 5/10 by 10, and that will move that decimal over, and now I have 135. Okay, now I can multiply, but remember when we get down to the product, we're going to have to undo what we did. We're going to have to divide by 10. So let's go ahead and multiply. 3 times 5 is 15. Put down the 5, carry the 1. 3 times 3 is 9, plus 1 more is 10. Put down the 0, carry the 1. 3 times 1 is 3, and 1 more makes 4. Zip, zap, 0. 4 times 5 is 20. Put down the 0, carry the 2. 4 times 3 is 12. 13, 14. Put down the 4, carry the 1. 4 times 1 is 4, and 1 more makes 5. Add your partial products. 5, 0, 8, 5. In the factors, we multiplied by 10. So in the product, we need to divide by 10. Here is my decimal, my invisible decimal. And when we divide by 10, multiply, multiply, divide, divide. We're going to move that decimal one time to the left. 580 and 5/10. So what does this number represent? Well, I multiplied my length times my width, so this must be the area of the patio is 580 and 5/10 feet squared. So that is the area, and that answered the first question. The next question we have to answer is, how many tiles is it going to take to cover the patio? I know that every tile is 12 inches squared. Well, you have to know that there are 12 inches in 1 foot. So each of these tiles is 1 square foot. I would need 580 whole tiles, and then I need 0.5 or 5/10. Well, 5/10 is equivalent to 1/2. So how many concrete tiles will he need to complete the patio? How many would he need to buy if he has to buy them in whole tiles? The question didn't say that, but that's what we need to assume. Could he only buy 580 tiles? Would that be enough to cover the entire patio? No, he would need to get 581. He would need 581 tiles in order to cover the entire patio. Great job, guys.